Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have the tuyere plate drilled for the small rivet forge, but I need to cut out some slots because this one has 3 semicircular slots and I want to copy this one. So we're going to take the Dremel tool and see if I can cut these in a reasonable fashion. I had Craftsman cut-off wheels in there the first time, and this one is considered a heavy duty. This is a 20 heavy duty cut-off wheels. They're a little thicker. Gonna take a little more power from the Dremel tool to cut through, but hopefully they don't break as easy. You can see that the first one that I ran was even thicker than this heavy duty one. So let's see if I can get through this cut without breaking the wheel. Well, that's good. The hole's bigger. Just snug, don't want to tighten it up too tight. Face shield in place. Well, that side's cut through. Now I gotta cut through this side. There. That didn't take long. Once I got it going good, I got the right wheel in there. Oh, this plate is warming right up. Having a vise is nice. Means I don't have to try and hold this by hand. Going through grinding wheels like nobody's business. But the 2.0s work a lot better. I have a fair amount of cutoff wheels. Because they break easily and you go through them pretty fast. If I had a milling machine, I could set this in a rotary table, if I had a rotary table. And then I could just drop the cutter in there, 5/16 cutter, mill it right out. But I don't. There we go. That's 2. See if I got it far enough. Nope. Gonna need another one. Working this Dremel pretty hard, warming right up. Pushing a little too hard. There we go. Okay, having to make this is taking a lot of work. But you can see that this is shot. I mean, it's rusted away almost to nothing. This one, pretty good shape. Actually brand new. So, for the price of about $3 to buy the steel plate and some time, end up with a new tuyere plate for the rivet forge. Good job. If If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.